Murka wants to go outside, and as soon as she out, she wants to go back in. Yeah, she'll be looking for her baby, but first she gonna get kisses and cuddles and more kisses and pets. No, she don't like it. She really don't like it. No, it's time to eat. She loves her wet food. I give her one packet today. Some people only feed wet food. They don't even give dry food. Well, I give one packet a day of wet food, and then she have access to dry food 24/7. I know a lot of people have feeders, but um, my cats always have access. Well, cats, when I used to have Cleo, but now Murka have access to dry food 24/7. Murka doesn't really gain weight, so she's alright. She can have a snack whatever time she feels a need she wants. I, I don't I don't really know why people, well, I kind of know people get feeders, automatic feeders, because their cat's probably overweight and stuff, but I don't know. Murka doesn't go overweight or does not have medical problems, so she can have dry food all day, all night if she feels like it. It's more convenient for her. It's more convenient for me. And yeah, so yeah, look what she does. She always drags food. I don't know, you'll see now. She always drags food from her bowl onto the carpet and eats it on the carpet. Don't even ask why. I think maybe she thinks it's kind of like a prey or something. Maybe it's an instinct for a cat. And that's it. Her feeding is done for now.